Okay, namaskar, and welcome to our Word of Health. Actually, the things are getting very complex, very complex. When the whole world, the leading bodies, the leading countries, they starting, they started taking human life as a business. It's too much now. They are taking a human life total business. They are only counts for them. So the things are very complex. So what we will have to do, we should load our coming generation with many comfortable options so that they can stay away from the clutches of those business people who want to make their life as a business. Even the medicines, even anything, even the drugs, all those things are taking shape, and those things are so comfortable that all the coming generation which is not having healthy hobbies, healthy options, they go into that and it destroy their life. It is happening all over the world. Bollywood, Hollywood, this country, that country, this country. Even the gurus, even the preachers, even all those people, they talk whatever suits to their greed. They are going to this body, they talk their language. Even even if that body is too dangerous for the society. Many gurus, many preachers, many cultures, they are doing that. And many big bodies, United Nations, WHO, they call them, even the big universities, Harvard, they call them and talk to them. They get more power and then they go and cash the money and go to the wrong lobbies which are harming human beings and talk in their favor. My goodness. So the best option with us is to load our coming generations with more and more healthy options so that they can choose out of that. When they have no options, they go to drugs, they go to this, they go to that. They are very weak. So we will have to load them with a very comfortable many options what to do in this life. They don't know. So that's why they go to university, they go to school, and they get drugs, they get this, they get that, and they don't. But when they will be loaded with options, they know where they can indulge their life. There are millions of things they can know. They are just wandering in this life without knowing anything. They don't know what air is. If there is no air, they can spend many years on air. They don't know water is. Water, they are drinking it and going every day and all that. But when they go deep into water, it's tremendous. They will be indulged in all this. They don't know about sky. They don't know about ocean. They don't know about birds. We see the birds, but when we go inside them, oh, oceans of science is buried into that. Animals, the trees, plants, how the seed is talking to this and having all that big tree embedded into that and all that. All these things, cycling, they can cycle all the way, long distances, have a view of the nature and try to, and that thing we will have to teach them. When the parents are ignorant, then the shape of those people will be very bad. So if you think that what a single man can do, a single man can do, change this whole world, a single man. If we are mature, if we are genuine, if we are pure, if we are serious to give benefit to our coming generation, our message can go like a fire, like millions of people can read that and implement that. But we are not doing that. Most of the people are doing that for money. They talk one thing and make one video. this guru is doing this, laughing like that and making money and packing and going over there. That is a terrible. But who will come to know? We will have to design a vision. We will have to design a mythology. We will have to design a maturity to know that and pass it on to the coming generation. But still, the parents and the teachers and all those nice bodies can pass it on and empower them. There are few cultures, I don't want to name them. Many countries, they are teaching their kids how to kill a person. They are killers. They are killing the people all over the world. Nobody speaks. They scare this Bollywood, this Hollywood, this country, that country, that country, and they are just taking shape. Why don't we speak about them? We should speak about them. They can't do, if you are strong, you are mature, you have a lobby, they can't do anything. When a community or a culture is a killer, they killed millions and millions of people, and the other communities, they are suffering. Why? Why? Tell me. So we will have to create a healthy coming generation by giving them options. Talk about air, think about weather, how everything is growing, how you are getting all the things. It's not an automation. Somebody is doing that. Only one thing, if a person, I start knowing about water, oh my goodness, how these two molecules of oxygen are combined with hydrogen, and how hydrogen keeps them, and what hydrogen do, how there is vapor, this is this makes this. Oh, there are too many things, and they are so interesting. My goodness. Air, this is air. Air, this is oxygen, this much nitrogen, this, every place the air changes, every place the water changes. If this place of the world, water is very good. This place, the people are drinking that water, they are behaving like anything. That place, the people are very strong, they live long and all that. So many things are there. There are millions of options. We will have to tell them, we will have to give them options, so that they are having comfortable options and they don't come to the grip of those idiots who are killing that. People are selling drugs, people are doing this and that. To save them from that tragedy, we will have to give them options. So today this video was on giving them, our coming generation, millions of options, so that when they don't have options, they go for all this nonsense. So what will pass on all this to them? Our maturity, our genuineness, our strength. Just see how we are doing and how those people are doing. Show them how those people are doing, which die at an early age, miserable life and all that. So this, our word of health is getting complex. So what we will have to do? We will have to give them, coming generation, options. How we will give them? With our maturity, with our genuineness, with our strength, with our examples. And I have given you options. They can read about this: air, water, birds, plants, trees, seeds. They are different, birds have different, all that, and you name it, the flowers, the long distances, mountains, how the mountain work and help and all that, and cycling, boating, doing many things. So we will have to save our coming generation from the clutches of the killers and from the clutches of this mafias and the drugs and all that, because that is too much now. One can save our generation only with our strength. So when people will be strong, people will be this, those negative forces will stay away or will die automatical death. So today my thing was on giving options to the healthy options to the coming generation. That will be very helpful for the topic we deal with, our world of health. Because what health will do when we will be in this trap and all that. So we will need to be mature, genuine, and this such type of messages should go to many people, so that they can empower their kids, their coming generation, by giving them options from their childhood. Do this, do this, do this. This is interesting. This is this. That type of books, that type of things. So that was the day. So please try to stay attached with your coming generation. Give them healthy options so that we can stay fine. Okay. Thanks and namaskar.